What up, Rock Nation? Buck Premo here with your ROQ US Tech team. Today I'm at the Tech Center here in Claremont, Florida, and I want to go over the ROQ Impress maintenance. I'm going to go over some of the stuff that isn't in your manual that I think you should be doing weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and so on. This is on the ROQ Impress, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so on a daily basis, I think it's smart to go ahead and wipe down your Teflon that is on the bottom of your heat press. To do this, I'm just gonna take an old t-shirt. Typically, I can wipe it. If you've got some transfer that might be on there, I'd grab some isopropyl alcohol, get your cloth a little damp, and you're gonna go ahead and move the pallets out of the way. I'll show you right now. Just grab them, move them out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and push in one of my safety bars. I'm gonna get down below and just make sure that I don't have any transfer or anything on my heat press that could cause sticking or any sort of issues while heat pressing. I can just keep moving the pallets out of the way to make sure I get the entire thing. Just give it a good wipe down. That's really all we're looking for, is making sure that there's nothing on the bottom of that Teflon. All right, so once you're done wiping down the heat press, go ahead and pull out your safety bar. You're gonna have a yellow blinking light. Main display is gonna say machine is not ready, press start. Go ahead and press your start button. The machine is gonna hum. Now you're ready to rock and roll and start transferring.